Hey, welcome back to Aventura. This is a video of clips that didn't quite make it into the first video because the runtime basically. If you have not watched the first video, you can look at it here. There's a card up in the corner. So not only did I forget a couple of things, but there's a few extended clips, and also I shot the nighttime lights at Hogwarts Castle fireworks and cinematic celebration fireworks from the hotel room. But first, here is a time lapse I shot with my old GoPro Hero 3 Plus, which has had the IR filter removed. That's why it looks a little funny. Well, the signs along Universal Boulevard now say Aventura this way. And in the bus hub, you take the bus to Cabana Bay for Aventura, not Sapphire Falls, which is weird, because Sapphire Falls is right next to it, not Cabana Bay. Remember this path I was showing you in the past? It's actually does not go to the hotel, it goes to Volcano Bay, but you need a room key to actually get to Volcano Bay, which is annoying. Forgot to show you over here on the pool deck, there's a pool table. Also, table tennis. Not sure how to get the ball. And foosball, or at least that's what people call it. I don't know if that's a brand name, but this actually has glass on top, which is kind of unusual. Back on the 17th floor, because I forgot to point out something. Here is the pool, and in the lower part of the pool deck is where the restrooms and the hot tub are. I did record that, but forgot to put it in the video. Whoops! Here's a Starbucks. It's not a we proudly serve Starbucks, like a Starbucks knockoff kind of cafe you see sometimes. It's a third party, but it's a full service Starbucks. You can get anything here you can get in any other Starbucks, including high prices. Over here we have sushi. And sushi noodle. Sushi to go. There are some beverage choices, some beer, and I believe some wine as well. There are some beverage choices here at the sushi place, including Japanese soda. So that's pretty cool. There's some prices. Over here is simply called burger. Here you can get food. This is interesting. It's a jar of cake instead of a cup. Some eggs, some alcohol, pale ale, some chocolate-covered bacon if you're looking for health food. Ooh, this is really good soda. Apple pie. Blue Sky soda, organic root beer. This stuff is good. I haven't had this in a while. Some Uncle Matt's organic orange juice. More Boozahol and some Parfait. Here are the burgers here at Burger. And the flatware. Here's a grab and go area for chips. This one has Jones. It's a soda that's kind of hard to find. Dogfish Head, Sea Quench Ale. So this does have other stuff over here. The same soda, but some coconut water, Honest Tea, just water. And if you don't want to go healthy, like the chocolate covered bacon, there's always fruit and pita chips. A free refrigerator case is the Honest Kids. Some beer. This is interesting. Wine, I guess. Seagrams. Now the interesting thing is, this was the parent company of Universal when the Islands of Adventure opened, and here it is for sale at Aventura. Some wine, it's just water. Shrimp cocktail to go, chicken California, Cobb salad, tomato sal. Apparently it's a tomato named Sal. Caprese. I guess those are really short salads. Like regular salads, they're just shorter. Or caprese. Chicken Sikansa. Turkey sand, and of course Coca-Cola. This place is called Currently Not Open. Of course, freestyle machines, all of your other options, a sink, some hot chocolate and coffee. But the cool thing is when you sit here, you can look over the Volcano Bay entrance. That's how close you are. There's a bus going by. Here's Italian ice and gelato.
Okay.
Cookies and stuff.
That's right.
This time it's pasta sala. Here's another option. Peach sparkling water, wild berry, lemon lime, grapefruit, whatever that is. Each of these areas have a little bit different. Here's a different type of soda. This is called pizza, where they serve food of some sort. This is probably for when I have enough available. There's the menu. Oh, this area is actually different because you got some Pocky, some Haichu, some Gimme Organic, Smash. There's a lot of options in a small area. Some blueberries, some kale. Pretty cool. Oh, check out this cup. That's for the freestyle. Unlike places like Cabana Bay where you pick your food from different areas and then pay all at the same time, each individual food area, you pay for your food there. When you order, you get one of these and you place it here. This is outside by the pool because I like sitting outside. And here's what it looks like if you sit inside. The same table, they're just obviously inside. So I got just a basic plain cheese pizza and this awesome cane cola. And Brian had the burger, which will be coming.
This is delicious. It's just like when you order from like your little local pizzeria places. I think it's delicious.
So I really like it. It's a brick oven pizza. And here is the Impossible Burger. It looks like they did the Impossible without the avocado because they didn't have any today.
Yeah.
Also, fries are really good.
Yeah. So it's a veggie burger with frizzle onions, and you can choose the sauce. I chose the chipotle sauce.
And he also got the orange soda. I'm back here at night. I can show you the roast kitchen. It was not available earlier. It was being set up. I will show you this at breakfast time tomorrow. That might be a separate video. I'm not sure what, it's salmon. Never had salmon before. Cool. Some mac and cheese, little potatoes. That's a $4 12-ounce soda, so it better be damn good. It does have texturized print on it, which is kind of interesting, but $4, wow. It's not bad, it's just very, very strange. Maine root is the best root beer I've ever had, but I can't find it anymore. This is the grouper sandwich and the fries we saw earlier. I really like grouper, and this sandwich is really, really good. I do like my fries with barbecue sauce. I asked and they found some barbecue sauce, so cool. And here's what roast breakfast looks like. Kind of standard breakfast buffet, except it's not really a buffet, I don't believe. Ooh, those Belgian waffles look good. Pancakes, alright. French toast looks decent. And then some fruit here. Here is the roast breakfast. Of course, you don't actually get anything roasted because, you know, it's breakfast. Alright, so it's more of a cafeteria style, not buffet, in the sense that you can't just keep coming and getting more. I just meant buffet in the sense that here's a selection, you walk by and pick up what you want. But you pay for the stuff, I guess not individually, but I'm going to have to try that Belgian waffle. The beverage choices here don't change for breakfast. Hi, and Burger does change its menu for breakfast, so it's not just, you know, burgers. Is what they have. Still have fries, but these are home fries. Yeah. The sushi place is not open in the morning. And the pizza place does have a breakfast menu as well. Calzones and lots of glare. The dessert area over here doesn't seem to be open in the mornings, which is understandable. And if you're having breakfast, right over from the roast is where they have the butter and cream cheese and all this other stuff, including syrup, which is probably corn syrup and not actual maple syrup, but yeah. So, I have the waffle, the orange juice, and a nice view. So if you have not yet, please check out my Patreon page, my Amazon link. You can buy stuff from Amazon. I get a little bit of money. You don't pay anything extra. Please click on an ad because this trip ended up being expensive. Pretty good. I'm very picky with Belgian waffles, so I'm kind of hard to please. It's a little too soft, I guess, but I like it to be more like a cake, I guess I'm saying. But it was very good though. And the orange juice is pretty good too. Yeah. Oh, that was cool.